Hello, this is Nathan Rufty with Mountain West Financial. In this monthly newsletter, I want to bring to you credit. Credit is key for when you're applying for anything that needs your social security, date of birth, and full name. That is a credit report. That's a credit card. That's a auto loan. That's renting an apartment or a home, applying for a home mortgage, which what I do. We're going to run your credit, and that is one of the key elements: income credit and down payment or equity if you're doing a refinance or a purchase. Those key components of the credit report are the judgment areas. That's for bankruptcy, tax liens, anybody that filed anything for you in the court and they won that decision to go after the money that you owe them. The collection area. Collection is key. Despite what you hear on the streets from friends or family or anybody like that regarding the credit report, those things will never go away. They're always going to be there. They're always going to haunt you until you address them. The key things in the collection area that I've seen, and I run credit all the time, I'm in the mortgage business, medical collections. You may think that the insurance is going to pay those medical bills, but you need to stay on them as a consumer. If you're applying for a home loan to refinance or purchase, you got to stay with on top of what your credit looks like. And collections is a key. I'm seeing it a lot of medical. You got to pay those things. I know you may think and want that insurance to pay for it. They may not. You got to stay on top of that to make sure those collections are going to get paid on the medical, because every month if that collection agency is reporting you late every single month, that's holding your credit score down. So I'm seeing a lot of the medical. I'm seeing a lot of cell phone. A lot of people have cell phone collections. They go from T-Mobile to Verizon, but that T-Mobile bill owes $200. That's never going to go away. You need to address that. That is going to hamper your ability to even get a job, and you don't want that over $200, or even applying for a home loan. You need to have those things addressed. If you decide you move somewhere and from a home or from an apartment or from a family member's house, and you have some utilities in your name and you shut those utilities off, you need to stay on top of that to make sure that water bill, electricity bill, phone bill have been paid, because those people want their money, and if they can't hunt you down and you say, hey, I give you my forwarding address, the ball's in their court. They're going to turn that into a collection, and that's going to hurt your ability to purchase a home or get a job or get other credit. So you need to stay on top of that as a consumer. So what I'm seeing is the collections for medical, for cell phones, as well as utilities, and as well as the cable. The cable boxes you turn in or you don't pay it, they're going to go after you. So definitely stay on top of those collections, because they will come back to haunt you if you don't take care of them. And like I said, they will not go away. So judgments, collections, take care of those, as well as the quickest way you can bring your credit score up is, let's say you have $1,000 limit on a credit card and you're always running a 50, 60, 70, 80% balance of that $1,000. If you pay that bill down to $200, that's 20% of that high limit balance, then your credit score will increase. That's the fastest way to do it. Don't apply for credit if you already have 3 open trade lines. You have enough. Inquiries hurt the credit. Late pays hurt the credit, especially recent ones, 30, 60, 90 days late. Stay on top of your credit. Don't go bonkers with that. Stay within your means, so eventually you will be able to refinance or purchase a home. But credit is key for everything. I applied for a cable bill, and they wanted to run my credit. And I said, what do you need to do that for? We want to make sure you have good credit, and if you don't, we're going to charge you for installation fee. What does that got to do with anything? So needless to say, I stay with my own cable company, but employers are running your credit, and you don't want to miss out on an opportunity for a career because of something that's on your credit that you could address. You get a free credit report every single year. You apply for it, you get it, you see what's on there. You can address that fairly quickly. So credit is key. That tells a lot of debtors, people that want to extend you credit. It tells them a lot about you. They don't know you personally. They just know how you pay based on that credit report. And if you don't have a good pay history with collection judgments and late pays, they're not going to extend you any credit. They're not going to go from bad to bad. So if anything, clean that credit report up right away. And if you don't know what's on it, get that free credit report that we can get annually. Send it to me. I will take a courtesy look at it and let you know what's going on with your credit, so you can be in the position to purchase or refinance a home. Again, Nathan Rufty with Mountain West Financial. If you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance a home, I'd welcome the opportunity to speak with you. Call me at 909-503-5600, and thank you very much for your time. Bye.